Top 5 Best Low-Potassium Food You Must Eat to Flush Out Toxins and Repair Kidneys Fast. What if some of the foods you're avoiding aren't actually the problem, and the right foods could help support your kidneys every single day? For many people living with kidney concerns, grocery shopping can feel overwhelming. You're constantly hearing about foods to avoid, especially those high in potassium. But here's the good news. Not all foods put stress on your kidneys. In fact, certain low-potassium foods can fit into a kidney-friendly diet and help your body manage waste more effectively. In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 low-potassium foods that can help support kidney health and reduce the burden on your body's natural filtration system. These foods are simple, affordable, easy to prepare, and available in most grocery stores. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final food on our list surprises many people. It's a common food that often gets overlooked, yet it may be one of the smartest additions to a kidney-conscious diet. Let's get started. Number 1. Arugula. Arugula may not be the first food that comes to mind when you think about kidney health, but it is one of the most kidney-friendly leafy greens you can add to your diet. When your kidneys are not working at their best, they have a harder time removing excess minerals from your blood. Two of the biggest concerns are potassium and phosphorus. If these minerals build up, they can put additional stress on your kidneys and increase the risk of other health problems. That's one reason arugula stands out. Arugula is naturally low in potassium, making it a safer choice for people who need to monitor their potassium intake. A cup of raw arugula contains only about 74 milligrams of potassium, which is much lower than many other leafy greens. For comparison, cooked spinach can contain more than 800 milligrams of potassium per cup. Arugula is also low in phosphorus, another important benefit for kidney health. Keeping phosphorus levels under control can help reduce stress on the kidneys and support stronger bones over time. But the benefits don't stop there. Arugula contains several important nutrients, including vitamin K, calcium, and manganese. Vitamin K is especially valuable because it helps support healthy bones and normal blood clotting. Since kidney disease is often associated with weaker bones, getting enough vitamin K can be an important part of maintaining overall health. Another reason arugula deserves a place on your plate is its natural nitrate content. These compounds help relax blood vessels and support healthy blood flow. Better circulation can help maintain healthy blood pressure, which is one of the most important factors in protecting kidney function. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney damage, so managing it effectively can make a big difference over time. Arugula is also rich in antioxidants, including plant compounds known as glucosinolates. These antioxidants help fight inflammation and oxidative stress throughout the body. Lower levels of inflammation may help protect kidney tissue and support long-term kidney health. One of the best things about arugula is how easy it is to use. Its peppery flavor makes it a great addition to salads, sandwiches, and egg dishes. Try pairing it with sliced apples or pears and a light olive oil and lemon dressing for a simple kidney-friendly salad. You can also add a handful of arugula to scrambled eggs or omelets for an easy nutrient boost. The bottom line is simple. Arugula is low in potassium and phosphorus, rich in beneficial nutrients and antioxidants, and easy to add to everyday meals. Small changes like adding more arugula to your diet can help support healthy blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and give your kidneys extra support over time. Number 2. Onions. What if one of the best foods for your kidneys is already sitting in your kitchen right now? No expensive supplements. No complicated recipes. Just a simple onion. It may not look like a superfood, but when it comes to supporting kidney health, onions are one of the most powerful and underrated foods you can eat. One of the biggest challenges for people with kidney disease is reducing sodium. Doctors often recommend cutting back on salt to help control blood pressure and reduce stress on the kidneys. But let's be honest, food without salt can sometimes taste bland and disappointing. That's where onions come in. Onions add rich, savory flavor to meals without adding significant sodium. In fact, one small onion contains only a tiny amount of sodium while remaining relatively low in potassium and phosphorus, making it a kidney-friendly choice for many people. But flavor is only the beginning. Onions are packed with beneficial nutrients, including vitamin C, manganese, and several B vitamins such as folate. These nutrients help support your immune system, energy production, and overall cellular health. They also contain prebiotic fiber, which feeds the beneficial bacteria living in your gut. Why does that matter? Because a healthier gut may help reduce inflammation and improve the way your body handles waste products. The better your digestive system functions, the less burden may be placed on your kidneys over time. One of the most impressive compounds found in onions is a powerful antioxidant called quercetin. Quercetin helps protect cells from oxidative stress, a type of damage that can contribute to kidney disease and many other chronic health conditions. Some research also suggests that quercetin may support healthy blood pressure levels by helping blood vessels relax and function more efficiently. And that's important because high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage. Onions also contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds. Since chronic inflammation can gradually damage the tiny filtering units inside the kidneys, adding more anti-inflammatory foods to your diet may help support long-term kidney health. The best part? Onions are incredibly versatile. You can sauté them in a little olive oil until they're soft and naturally sweet. Add them to omelets, soups, stir-fries, chicken dishes, or fish. You can also enjoy them raw in salads for an extra boost of antioxidants. For a delicious kidney-friendly side dish, try roasting whole onions until they're tender and caramelized. Their natural sweetness becomes even richer, making them a satisfying alternative to higher potassium side dishes. The bottom line is simple: onions do much more than add flavor. They help reduce your reliance on salt, provide powerful antioxidants, support healthy blood pressure, and fight inflammation, all while fitting easily into a kidney-friendly diet. Sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest difference, and adding more onions to your meals may be one of the easiest ways to give your kidneys a little extra support every day. Number 3. Egg whites. When it comes to kidney-friendly protein, egg whites are often considered one of the best choices available. In fact, many nutrition experts refer to them as the gold standard of protein for people who want to support kidney health. Here's why. Your body needs protein every day to maintain muscle, repair tissues, support the immune system, and stay strong. However, when protein is broken down, it creates waste products that must be filtered by the kidneys. For people with kidney disease or reduced kidney function, too much protein waste can place extra stress on the kidneys. Egg whites provide a smart solution. They deliver high-quality protein while remaining low in many of the minerals that people with kidney disease often need to monitor. 2 egg whites provide about 7 grams of protein, making them an excellent source of nutrition without overloading the kidneys. One reason egg whites stand out is the quality of their protein. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, which are the building blocks your body needs for muscle maintenance, tissue repair, and overall health. Because egg white protein is highly efficient and easy for the body to use, less waste is produced during the process. This means your kidneys may have less work to do compared to some other protein sources. Another major benefit is their low phosphorus content. Many high-protein foods contain significant amounts of phosphorus, which can be problematic for people with kidney disease. When phosphorus builds up in the bloodstream, it can pull calcium from the bones and contribute to hardened blood vessels. Over time, this may increase the risk of bone problems, heart disease, and further kidney damage. The good news is that most of the phosphorus in an egg is found in the yolk, not the white. By choosing egg whites, You can enjoy the benefits of protein while keeping phosphorus intake much lower. Egg whites are also naturally low in potassium, another important advantage for people managing kidney disease. Since weakened kidneys can have difficulty removing excess potassium from the blood, choosing lower potassium foods can help reduce additional strain on the body. Beyond their nutritional benefits, egg whites are incredibly versatile and easy to prepare. They can be used in omelets, breakfast sandwiches, wraps, soups, and many other meals. A simple kidney-friendly breakfast might include egg whites cooked with onions and arugula. These ingredients provide flavor, nutrients, and antioxidants without adding excessive sodium. When using packaged liquid egg whites, it is important to check the ingredient label. Some products contain added sodium or phosphate-based preservatives that may not be ideal for kidney health. Fresh eggs are often the safest choice because you can separate the whites yourself and avoid unwanted additives. The bottom line is simple. Egg whites provide high-quality protein with very little phosphorus and relatively low potassium. They help support muscle health, reduce excess waste production, and fit easily into a kidney-friendly eating plan. For anyone looking to maintain strength while protecting their kidneys, egg whites are one of the smartest and most practical foods to keep on the menu. Number 4. Cherries. What if one of the sweetest treats you enjoy could also help support your kidneys? That's exactly why cherries deserve a place on this list. Not only are cherries delicious, but they also contain several nutrients and natural compounds that may help protect your kidneys and support overall health when eaten in moderation. One of the reasons kidney specialists often recommend cherries is their kidney-friendly nutritional profile. They are naturally very low in sodium and contain moderate amounts of potassium and phosphorus, making them a safer fruit option for many people with kidney concerns. But the real power of cherries comes from what's inside them. Cherries are packed with antioxidants, especially plant compounds called anthocyanins, which give cherries their beautiful deep red color. These powerful antioxidants help fight inflammation throughout the body. Why does that matter? Because chronic inflammation can slowly damage the tiny filtering units inside your kidneys, known as nephrons. Over time, this damage can make it harder for your kidneys to remove waste and toxins efficiently. By helping reduce inflammation, cherries may support healthier kidney function and help protect kidney tissue from ongoing stress. Another major benefit is their effect on uric acid levels. High uric acid is associated with gout and certain types of kidney stones. Both conditions can place additional strain on your kidneys and negatively affect your quality of life. Tart cherries, in particular, have been studied for their ability to help the body manage uric acid more effectively. This makes them a smart choice for people who are prone to gout attacks or kidney stone formation. There's another benefit that often surprises people. Cherries naturally contain small amounts of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate your sleep cycle. Quality sleep is essential for recovery, healing, and overall kidney health. Better sleep can support healthy blood pressure, lower inflammation, and help your body repair itself more effectively overnight. The best part is how easy cherries are to enjoy. Fresh cherries make a simple snack, and they can also be added to fruit salads, oatmeal, or healthy desserts. Some people enjoy a small serving of unsweetened tart cherry juice, but moderation is important because of the natural sugar content. Speaking of moderation, portion control matters. Even healthy foods can become less beneficial when consumed in large amounts. For most kidney-friendly eating plans, about 10 to 12 cherries per day is a reasonable serving size. Eating several large bowls at once may increase potassium and sugar intake more than intended. The bottom line: cherries offer a unique combination of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory benefits, uric acid support, and sleep-promoting nutrients. When enjoyed in sensible portions, they can be a delicious way to support your kidneys and overall well-being while adding a little natural sweetness to your day. Number 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is one of the most kidney-friendly foods you can add to your daily diet. Unlike many foods that contain significant amounts of sodium, potassium, or phosphorus, olive oil contains virtually none of these minerals. This makes it an excellent choice for people with kidney disease who need to carefully manage their mineral intake. One of the biggest reasons olive oil is so beneficial is its high content of oleic acid, a healthy monounsaturated fat known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a major factor in the progression of kidney disease. Over time, inflammation can damage the tiny blood vessels and filtering units inside the kidneys, making it harder for them to remove waste and toxins from the blood. By helping reduce inflammation, olive oil may support healthier kidney function and help protect kidney tissue from further damage. Olive oil also contains a natural compound called oleocanthal, which has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Researchers have found that oleocanthal works in a way similar to certain anti-inflammatory medications, helping the body fight inflammation naturally. This may be especially valuable for people with kidney problems because ongoing inflammation can contribute to declining kidney function over time. Another major advantage of olive oil is its connection to heart health. The heart and kidneys are closely connected, and problems with one often affect the other. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney disease and kidney failure. The healthy fats found in olive oil may help support normal blood pressure levels and improve cholesterol balance by lowering LDL, often called bad cholesterol. Better blood pressure and healthier blood vessels can reduce stress on the kidneys and help slow the progression of kidney damage. Olive oil is also rich in antioxidants called polyphenol. These antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress caused by harmful free radicals. By reducing oxidative damage, polyphenol may help support both kidney and cardiovascular health. This is one reason olive oil is a key part of the Mediterranean diet, which is widely recognized for its health benefits. Another benefit is that olive oil provides healthy calories without adding protein, potassium, or phosphorus. This makes it useful for people with kidney disease who need extra energy but want to avoid placing additional strain on their kidneys. For the greatest health benefits, choose extra virgin olive oil whenever possible. It is the least processed form and contains the highest levels of antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds. In simple terms, olive oil helps reduce inflammation, supports heart health, protects blood vessels, and provides kidney-friendly nutrition. Replacing butter or heavily processed oils with olive oil is a simple change that may help support healthier kidneys and better overall health over time. As you've seen today, protecting your kidneys doesn't have to be difficult or overwhelming. Sometimes the most powerful changes come from the simple foods you choose every day. We covered 5 kidney-friendly low-potassium foods that can help reduce toxin buildup and support healthier kidney function. Nutrient-rich arugula, flavorful onions, high-quality protein from egg whites, antioxidant-packed cherries, and heart-healthy olive oil. Each of these foods offers unique benefits, but the real secret is consistency. Small choices made every day can add up to big improvements over time. By choosing foods that help control potassium, reduce inflammation, support healthy blood pressure, and ease the workload on your kidneys, you're giving your body the support it needs to stay stronger and healthier. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple kidney health tips every week. And leave a comment below what food on today's list surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.